Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Claude AI desktop app. To get started, open your web browser and go to Claude.ai. Installing the desktop app gives you a more convenient way to access Claude AI directly from your computer without needing to open your browser every time. Once the website loads, take a moment to look at the main page. You should see a button labeled Download Desktop App. This is the option you'll use to get the desktop version onto your computer. Go ahead and click that button. Before downloading, make sure you are visiting the official Claude website to ensure you are getting the correct and secure version of the application. As soon as you do, the download should begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the browser you're using, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. If you don't immediately see anything happen, check your browser's downloads area, because that's usually where the file progress will appear. While the file is downloading, it's a good idea to wait until the download is fully complete before opening it. Interrupting the process too early can sometimes cause installation issues, so just give it a moment to finish properly. Waiting for the complete download also helps make sure the installation file is not incomplete or corrupted. Once the download is done, locate the file. In most cases, it will appear at the bottom of your browser window or inside your computer's downloads folder. Now click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Your computer may ask for confirmation before opening the installer, which is completely normal. If that happens, simply approve it so the installation can continue. From there, the app should begin installing on your system. During installation, just follow any prompts that appear on screen. These are usually simple confirmation steps to help the program install. In most cases, the process is quick and straightforward, so you won't need to do much beyond allowing it to proceed. Depending on your operating system, you may see different installation screens, but the process is generally similar. Just review each step and continue with the default options unless you have specific preferences. Once installation is complete, the Claude desktop app will be ready to use. At that point, you can open it from your desktop applications folder or start menu, depending on your operating system. After opening the app, you can sign in with your Claude account and start using the desktop version just like you would use Claude through the web. If you want easier access in the future, you can also pin it to your taskbar or keep a shortcut on your desktop. This can save time because you can launch Claude AI instantly whenever you need help with writing, brainstorming, research, coding, or other daily tasks. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Claude AI desktop app. As you can see, the whole process is very simple and only takes a minute or two from start to finish. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorly for more easy step-by-step tutorials and helpful technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get everything set up smoothly.